Okay, this is Eureka Math. Hello, my fantastic fourth graders. We are still in Module 1, Lesson 4 with Mrs. Fuska. Today our learning target is I can read and write multi-digit whole numbers in word form and expanded form. Okay, so let's just look at these 4 ways to write a number, different forms. The first one is unit form. That's where we write the number and the unit. Okay, so let's take the number 241. To write that in unit form would be to write I have 2 hundreds, 4 tens, and 1 1. Okay, that would be unit form. To write it in standard form is just the normal way that we write a number, 241. Now, word form is where it gets a little long. So word form would be writing out the actual words of how you would say this number, which would be writing the words that say 241. Let's take a look at that. So here you can see I wrote out the actual words because that would be the word form, 241. Next, we have expanded form. That's where we just take each part and we expand it out into expanded notation. Let's take a look at that. So expanded form would be we have 200 plus 40 plus 1. That would be the expanded form of the number 241. Here on the place value chart, let's represent the number 906,431. Okay, so first we have 900 thousandths, okay? 9, so we don't have to regroup into the millions. Okay, we have 0 10,000s. We have a 0 in that place to hold the place value, and we have 6 thousandths. Now we're going to go over to the hundreds. We have 4 ones, and we have 3 tens. We have 1 1. That's how we represent this number on the number chart. Okay, next let's write this in word form. How would we actually write this? We would write it exactly how we say it in word form, but we'd just use the words. 906,431. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so this is what it would look like in word form. 906,000, remember 1,000 says where our comma is, 431. 906,431. Okay, let's see how that would look in expanded form. So this is what it would look like in expanded form. I'm just expanding it out. 900,000 plus 6,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 1. Okay, so get out your homework book, and on the place value chart, let's represent the number 90,523. This is on page 21, problem A, B, and C. First, we're going to represent this number on the place value chart. So let's stop just a minute and do that. Okay, so I've drawn on my place value chart. I have 9 10,000ths. Okay, so we have a 0 in the thousands place, so I put nothing on my place value chart. There's nothing in the thousands place. I have 5 hundreds, 2 tens, and 3 ones. Okay, now we're going to write this in word form. Remember, word form is not unit form. Unit form would be the number and the unit. Word form is we write this the way we would say it. We write out the words that we would say to say this number. So let's do that. So here's the word form. I would actually say this number, I would say it 90,523. So that's how I wrote it in word form. Okay, remember, let's see how we expand that number out. Okay, so I expanded that out in expanded form, and I had 90,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 3. Okay, now I would like you to complete page 21 and 22, all of the problems in your Succeed homework book, and bring that to class tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Bye.